How to make your LinkedIn profile private. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make our LinkedIn profile private, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make your LinkedIn profile private, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the LinkedIn application, and you will see this type of information here. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon from the top left, then you'll find the settings option from here. Then once you tap on the settings option, you'll see this type of interface over here, right? Now from here, you can simply go to this option that says visibility. Under visibility, if you look right here, you'll see edit your public profile. So tap on edit your public profile, and as soon as you do that, right here you can see your profile's public visibility is currently enabled. So you can actually change this to basic, or you can simply turn this off, and then no one else will be able to view your profile. So this way you should be able to make your LinkedIn profile private. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.